Welcome to this introductory video about SGT's MetaTrader 4 software. The first thing we want to do is visit sgtmarkets.com, the home of Sterling Gent Trading. When we click on Demo Account, we are prompted to enter information and select the type of MT4 account that we would like. SGT offers two types of accounts, Direct and Prime. We're going to select Prime because the Prime account offers the tightest spreads possible. We're going to select leverage of 400 to 1, and we're going to start with a $25,000 demo account. After clicking Submit, we receive an email containing the information, our demo login details. We see a unique login, a unique password, and we want to make sure that we're logging on to the SGT Markets demo account. We click to load our MT4 client terminal, and we enter the information we were provided. We save account information so that it's easy to open the account the next time we want to open our demo account. We click Login.
Incoming mail.
And we see that we have correctly connected to the SGT MT4 client terminal. The first thing we want to do is make sure we're viewing all of the instruments offered in this type of account. So we would right-click in the Market Watch window and select All, Show All Instruments. As we scroll down, we can see some very tight prices. Here we can see a 0.3 pip spread in the euro. As the market changes and updates continuously, the spreads will also change. We see Forex instruments, cross rates on the Forex instruments, along with the majors. We see equity indices. We also see oil, we see gold, and we see silver. More than 60 instruments in total. Let's go ahead and learn about charts. There are different chart tabs and chart workspaces that we can see. Here we see that we've previously registered for another demo account. Let's go ahead and practice and learn about indicators. Indicators are mathematical and visual elements that we can add to our trading charts to evaluate them using technical analysis. As we select different indicators to add to our charts, you can see that they are instantly applied to our charts. There are literally hundreds and hundreds of indicators to choose from to help us make trading decisions. If we want to remove an indicator, we simply right-click on the indicator and select Delete Indicator. We can change the periodicity or time frame on our charts as well. Here we see a US dollar Swiss franc chart where each bar represents 1 minute. Let's go ahead and change that to 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, a 1 hourly chart, a 4 hourly chart, a daily chart, a weekly chart, and a monthly chart. You can see that the periodicity instantaneously updates on our charts. Here we're looking at a bar chart. Another popular chart type is candlesticks. We also have line charts. We can zoom in, we can zoom out to look at particular details on a chart. As we scroll along, we see different indicators and different drawing tools applied to our charts. We want to make sure that the Expert Advisors button up here is green, allowing us to add expert advisors to our charts. We'll go ahead and have a different tutorial in the future about expert advisors and learn what they are all about. As we hover over the different bars on our chart, you will see down here that different values are shown. Open, high, low, and close change as we hover over different bars along our chart. The charts are fully customizable. We can change different properties of the charts to suit our particular needs. We can change the background color and a variety of other attributes. No two traders are the same. Traders like different chart layouts, different styles, different indicators, and no two traders see charts exactly the same way. Let's go ahead and let's look at some spreads again. As you can see, we have some very tight spreads updating here in real time in our symbol window. Down here we have our navigator window, and down here we have different tabs. A trade tab where we see our initial $25,000 virtual demo account equity balance. Account history. We don't see any particular trades here yet because we haven't made any trades. We see alerts, a mailbox with messages from SGT, and different tabs down here that we can use to learn about coding, expert advisors, and other things. These different attributes can be saved, new profiles can be created, etc. This is called a drawing tool, and this particular drawing tool is called Fibonacci. It's simply one way to evaluate the market by using technical analysis and other techniques. You can draw different shapes on our charts. We can draw horizontal lines. We can draw vertical lines as well. Again, there's really no limit as to what you can do with MT4 as far as creating charts and different layouts. Let's go ahead and let's work on placing an order. There are two different types of basic orders we can work with: market orders and pending orders. A market order simply means that we want to buy or sell wherever the market is currently trading. We right-click on the instrument that we want to trade. In this case, it's the euro against the US dollar. We select a new order. We see a 0.3 pip spread, constantly updating, a 0.2 pip spread now, as the market updates. We click Buy by Market, and we instantly see the trade executed. SGT is an ECN MT4 broker, meaning trades are directly routed to the different banks and counterparties that provide us with the tight liquidity that you see on your screen. We can see that we've bought 3 lots of the euro against the US dollar. Let's go ahead and let's place another trade. Here we see gold against the US dollar. We're going to go ahead and right-click on the order again. Instead of placing a market order, we're going to place a pending order. And we think gold is going to move lower, so we're going to place what's called a sell limit. When the price of gold moves higher in the market to our sell limit level, our trade will be executed and we will have a short gold position in the market. We select our exact entry level. We click place. Before we do that, we want to change the number of lots we're trading. We can also place a stop loss, and we can place take profit entry orders. The MT4 is very flexible and gives us many different ways to trade the market. In that case, we had an invalid stop loss or take profit level. We have to be very careful when we're placing different order types to make sure that our stops and our limits are correctly positioned in the market. We click OK. We decide again, let's go ahead and place market execution. Sell by market. We see the trade instantly executed and placed in the market. We click OK and we see the trade in the tab down here. We can go ahead, modify the existing order by placing a stop loss or take profit order, or we can simply go ahead and close these positions. Right click on the row that has the open position, select close order, we accept these terms and conditions, close the order, and it's instantly executed. Let's go ahead and close our gold order as well. Now, in our account history tab, we can see the gold position and the euro dollar position. We can see our equity has changed in accordance with the profits and losses in our account. You can have as many open positions as you like, provided you have enough equity in your account. Let's go ahead and let's look at a couple different indicators as they appear after we add them to the charts. In this case, we can see that as we change the different periodicities, the same indicator is still at the bottom of our chart. It just changes to reflect the new time frame that we're looking at. We can see a tick chart showing us the different prices as they move. We see Forex instruments, energy, equity indices, metals including gold and silver. When you log into your SGT MT4 demo account, look at the different pull-down menu items at the top. You can view MT4 in different languages. You can change the configuration, the appearance, the layout. You can add and insert different indicators, horizontal lines and drawing tools, channels, GAN analysis, shapes, arrows, and you can even add text to your charts to make notes to yourself. Here, we're changing the chart types to suit our different needs. We can save templates and add different indicators, momentum indicators. We can zoom in to look at these charts in great detail. Please go ahead and register for a demo account if you have not already done so. If you have done so, please go ahead and log in and feel free to test the demo account. Remember, a demo account is simply virtual trading money. There's no real money being traded. It's simply to familiarize yourself with the SGT MT4 demo trading account. We hope this initial video introduction to the MT4 software by SGT has been informative. As always, we look forward to welcoming you to the SGT family, and we wish you profitable and successful trading. Thank you.